About the wig, because this will be the second wig that I've gotten from IDEFINE hair. I reviewed a wig from them like maybe a month or so ago, and it was a short curly unit, and I really loved it. So I said, let me pick another one, because before I add a company into my regular rotation, I need to try them out at least 3 to 4 times to make sure it's legit. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and I can't comb hair. I just enjoy playing in hair, right? So I'm always looking for affordable, beginner-friendly units. And that last one that I got from IDEFINE here, I really liked. So let's hope that I like this one. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back, friend. Thank you for sticking with me. So, like I said, the company is called IDEFINE. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with you guys. So, open up the box. And once I open up the box, the extras that they have in here are, they have a care card for the wig and stocking caps in 2 different shades, which that is pretty convenient. And then we have the wig. I remember that I got something that was short and curly, but I don't remember all the details. It says that this is a 180 density wig. I can't remember anything. Look in the description box. I put all the details about it in the description box. Let's take it out of this plastic so we can just look at it up close. So I absolutely love short hair. At one point I had a fade. That's how much I love short hair. So I'm always on the hunt for short hair. And like I said, that last one from IDEFINE was really nice. And y'all, I think I'm gonna like this one even more because it's a little bit longer. As far as the cap construction goes, pretty good cap construction. Ooh. Not pretty good, very good, because we get 3 combs in the front. Companies have stopped putting combs in units, and I wish they would stop it. Okay, we need the combs. Okay, we have 3 combs in the front, to left, to right, and up there on the crown. We have a good amount of parting space on this unit as well. And then in the back, we have another comb, we have some adjustable straps, and we have an adjustable glueless band. That white piece that you're seeing there, it's just saying that this is a cap size medium, so you can order this wig in different cap sizes, which is also a plus. So yeah, dope cap construction. And the unit itself looks cute too. This shouldn't take very long. I'm probably just gonna wet this, put some mousse on it. I'll give you a 360 as well, and then I'll come back and discuss this second unit that I picked up from IDEFINE hair. Be right back.
City, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking at you get a move on. Make you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide City, any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these lotions stay. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like I wish you wanna you shouldn't run. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want me. If you play what you doing, do some more. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide City. decided I love you, babe, the way I do. Decided I love you. In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking at people to move on. Like you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide city, any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these lotions.
Alright guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig by IDEFINE, and I love this one just as much as I did the first one. This is an everyday wig for me. I love the simplicity of this wig. I love the price point of this wig. I love the beginner friendliness of the wig. I love the quality. This wig is a 10 out of 10. This is one that I definitely can't recommend. I love short curly hair. So the last one I got from them, it was probably like that length. But with these few inches added, I do like this one even more. So I need to go get one more unit from them so I can know to add them in my rotation. That's really just me trying to justify adding them to my rotation because they will be. It would honestly be kind of cool to go and get a longer unit because they have killed the short curly units. These are 10 out of 10. I really do like these. But now I think I need to get something longer and straight just to make sure, because based on these two that I've got from them, definitely 10 out of 10, and I can definitely recommend these. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this one, because it is a must. I was actually scared to get it because the model looked like AI. But I will say the wig does look like what it looks like online. So you won't be disappointed. I think you'll be very, very happy with this one. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit. And tell me some other units that you would like to see from this company. Because I don't want to stick to short and curly, because it's my comfortable spot. Make me step out. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.
In the city,